The killer flayed the skin, the flesh, completely off.
He's certainly raising the bar. Damn, this guy is good.
I just need to know why you paint your nails the way you do.
About a year ago, there was this guy.
You know that guy on the news that they arrested for the ice truck killings? Is that the guy?
Now wait.
I'm thankful for you. You want to escape plan?
Escape from what?
The police. I need something to distract them by.
That's right, that was the one clue. The ice truck killer left behind, right?
Wait, how'd you know that?
I don't often make mistakes, but when I do, they haunt me. How did you not know who I was? I think a real cop would at least have a sense that she was the presence of the person that she was hunting. Refrigerated.
The ice truck killer drains the blood from his victims, freezes their bodies, and only then severs their limbs. He's clean and efficient. That's his psychological signature.
There's no blood in or on or near the body at all. It's the weirdest thing you ever saw.
How does he do it? How does the killer get rid of the blood?
It's hard to say.
I've never seen such clean, dry, and